Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and having a good time with your family and friend. So this is a continuation of my last videos and it is the fifth part. So in the last video we have talked about how to shade the face, hair, and if you want to learn the complete process you can check out my channel where I have described and narrated the process to draw. So in this video I will be talking about shading the realistic hand and how to draw the hand. So before starting I would like to recommend you that if you want to try it you can use a grid technique, which I have used that, and you can find the process of outlining too on my channel. So let's not waste the time and start with the process of drawing the hand. So what I will do before starting the complete process is I'm using a lightest pencil, which is a HB pencil, for forming the base. So what I will do during this time is I will shade by using an HB pencil and form the even base. So that's what I'm doing here. You can see I'm forming the even base by using an HB pencil, and I will use the pencil very lightly as much as possible, and I will hold the pencil lightly with a little pressure and try to give the lightest strokes, and there wouldn't be any difference between the strokes. So while giving an even shading, the one thing that you keep in mind is that there must not be differences or distance between the shading. So after I shade I use tissue paper to blend it to give a smoother effect to hand. So you can use a soft brush, that is a makeup brush, or a cotton to blend this, but I'm using a tissue paper which I find convenient to me. So now what I will do is I will find the darker values. So as I talked in my earlier videos that as the light is falling on the right side, the shadows would fall on the left side. So here on the hand we will find the shadow effect. So we must darken those areas where the shadow is falling. So here at the side of thumb I will shade by using a 2B pencil. By using a lighter effect, again I won't darken it with much effect so that it would look ugly. So what I will do here is I will blend it by using the same tissue paper what I have used earlier, and I will try to give the darker effects of the shadows, and you can see I'm shading the thumb here. And in the same way, as we all know that the bones of the hand, we must show the bones. So I'm using a 2B pencil again to shade, to give a little look or to view the realistic effect. I'm shading to view the bones, like I'm using a 2B pencil to do so. And I will shade the fingers, and you can see a nearer area of the thumb I am giving a darker effect by using the 2B. So that's what I'm talking about, that's the shadow is falling. So I will use a 2B pencil, and we have to keep in mind about the bones too, and I'm using a cotton toothpick here to blend it because the blending stump would give a uglier look that I don't want to. So if you want to give a smoother effect, I recommend you to use either a cotton bud or use a tissue paper or a soft brush, but most commonly a cotton toothpick is used often. So I referred the reference once or twice to understand the nerves of the hand. So I am drawing them, so you can see that each nerve arises from each finger. So I will try to give I will try to draw the four nerves, means four dark lines arising from the fingers, and at the end I will blend them. So you can see I'm trying to give the effect of the nerves on the hand. So you can see that the hand looks little skinny here. So in order to prevent that effect, what I'm doing is I'm blending using a cotton bud to give a milder effect so that the hand doesn't look skinny. It looks ugly if we do so. So I'm using a toothpick for filling the whiter spaces in between the nerves, and after that I will blend the area near the smaller finger of the hand because the shadow is falling. And what I will do, as you know, that after giving a layer by layer I will blend them by using a tissue paper. So now one thing you have to keep in mind is that the shadow of the hand is also falling on the nearer areas that you can see on the neck and on the shirt. So I will give a darker effect near the hand of the neck and on the shirt by using a 2B pencil. So what you have to do is near the thumb you have the area you have to darken it so that it looks little realistic, and blend it by using a toothpick, which I find very convenient and easy to use. And the same thing we will do below the hand and near the hand. We will darken those areas by using an 2B pencil and blend them. And that's it. If you find it really helpful, please subscribe to my channel and like it, and thank you for coming to my channel and watching this video. Thank you guys.